Politics Watch. This is RP. Now today I'm going to be talking about the 87 known as Goblin, real name Andrew Thompson. Yes, Goblin. We're going to talk about him. I'm also going to be playing a video clip. See, oftentimes I hear me talk about the KAJ. Hear me talk about agents. And you think to yourself, oh, see, here he goes again, making up things to get views and a fight against people. But when a clip come out, at best, you know what? I'm going to see that at the end of the video. I'm focused on Goblin right now. So, Goblin. We've seen some interesting names over the years. This one, to be honest, are the first me I come across. A Goblin. Now, I'm going to give him some credit. You know why? At least, this time, we kind of see where the name come from. Most time we hear the name, them and I think to yourself, then, oh, that doesn't make sense. We can kind of see where the Goblin name come from. I'm sure we can see it too. Right. So this youth, troubled individual, major violence producer. People actually are telling me, say, brag, say, Franklin Town get put on the map. Him help put Franklin Town back on the map, because people are going at them forget about Franklin Town and them money. I want to realize that people in Jamaica get offended when them name the call amongst the bad man place. Imagine people, you're going to know them money make put it back on the map. Put it back on the map. Put it back on the map for death and destruction. See, people hear me say culture and they don't really understand how powerful it is, you know. When a place have a certain culture, the man them way you would have think say, people can't wait to see the back off. Even them, no matter how vicious them be, no matter how much dopey they on their name, them have fans. They have real fans that look up to them and adore them and want to be them. Man, I said the great Goblin drop out, the great Goblin, and I tell them to know what everyone and get out the boss. So you find in any acidic environment, you have residents who say, listen, we're tired of it, we want them gone, police need to get them out. But you also have residents, right, who not just love, not just protect, but mourn when time 87 is gone. This youth, I mean, how much time on earth on the amount of name, the amount of victims, the amount of shooting with intent we call upon this youth name. Check the most wanted list. Go back and look where often, every time JCF release most wanted list, go back how far this youth upon it. But you have to remember, he was quote unquote wanted. What I mean by that is the quote unquote wanted is not the same as real wanted. Real wanted was Preke Boy, where live in a bush. Right. Real wanted was Hadjis and them man there, right, where them have to dig hole and cipher. Them man there was wanted, the police are hunt them in a bush and then can't sleep in them bed. That's real wanted. This youth, the man at the place. See him residents every time police circle the place and I slip him off. Matter of fact, even recently back in as recently as June, him shoot up a police and jump in a gully run gone. Youth at the place. But as soon as the police them saw a circle, his surveillance system is far more sophisticated than the police system. Right. Police have to go in there, go look. Police have to ask and people are saying, I know, I see nothing. But film surveillance system, as the police them turn the corner, WhatsApp, text, call, him gone. So he wasn't very far. He didn't like place. A matter of fact, one of the montage where they make film, because you know, so when 87 drop out, then get a big montage. People go for them 15 best photos and add song on it, right, and start sending it around and people. Well, one of the picture of them see on the montage stand out to me. See it on your screen. That's him. I lean up on police vehicle. Now I don't know if this was before or after him turn wanted man, but I wouldn't even be surprised if it was after. Because 87s are the ultimate trolls. Taking a picture on a police vehicle with a bad man reputation See, this is how 87's working. See, if them see you even a lean up against the Jeep, if them see you even a lean up against the Ratty, them see you even a lean up against the new Mitsubishi police them. Them say, look like him a informer, look like him a key police. When my do say the police, look like him a call bad man name. That is how them look on it and they will come for you. But when them see the Jeep, them go take a picture. When them see the police van, them go take a picture, man, because a troll, them a troll. So I say, no when the picture take, but not only is this suit a goblin, and the irony is goblins are troll. When you watch any show and you see goblins tonight, them always have a little trollish attitude about them. Right? Them have a little gimmicks thing about them, man. See? The goblin and pose up on police vehicle. So, the KAJ lose another one. Right? We're expecting a statement no later than tomorrow morning condemning the JCF. Right? Speaking about KAJ, I'm going to play a little clip for you. I can't play the video part of it because, JDF night and, you know them thing I got YouTube already. So I got to just play the audio and hope say, them running for me and shut off comment section and send warning and all kind of things. But I just play the audio because the audio is what I really want in the ear. Just bear in mind, this is the security forces accosting somebody, right? And then the kerosene them start doing them job. Listen up.
Jesus Christ.
Now I don't know if that brother is our brother. I don't know if he's our man. I don't know if our cousin. But it was at that moment he realized he was standing next to a kerosene. Make you hear the rest.
I tell them can't look at much as I'm here to look good God.
Do you understand how the kerosene mine work? As much as she hit, she used the H word. She used the H word, but she still, remember, it's not like say it's not like say seconds after him get 10 rounds from the JD and him lose him life, That wasn't the case, She just see them a hold on upon him, right? But you know what she said? As much as she hit, she used the big H, she used the H word for him. But even so, him still mean more to her than the JDF and the police. Listen now.
Jordan, you murder ball out now, make no bomb buck like difference.
What's them up? Them are wicked, me eat them, rather the man them kill them one another.
See, what she not realizing is she just met the people them know say the youth them not innocent. She not realize that everybody who hear this sentence go pick up right away and say, hold on. She could have said, but a Jeremy and that from down the road, Jeremy and just work, Rona, him work down JUTC, him just work down at this taxi man, he not trouble nobody. That is what she said to her friend, because you know what? Because she just a record herself. It look like this is one of the, she not reached the rank of sergeant yet. She not reached the rank of sergeant major yet. This is one of the, like a private kerosene, she's not skillful as the high level kerosene. You see the high level kerosene them, even one time it appear anything to yourself, well, she not know so she's being recorded, so she will know. The high level kerosene them always, I think about the game. But the lower ranking kerosene them, when they know to talk amongst themselves and record themselves, them don't realize that they may give you the secrets. So when she say, rather the man them kill one another, what she do is say the man them are 87. But she'd rather them kill each other than the security forces take them out. I may say, if it was really a good youth from down the road, she'd have tell her friend on the spot, say, but a Jeremy and that from down the road, him not nobody know. Why them I do him so? She not say that tell her. She say, you know what? As a matter of fact, she went as far as she said as much as she hate the little youth. But just like a good employee, no matter how much you hate the job, you still carry on your duties. No matter how much the kerosene hate a particular 87, her duty comes first. Just like our patriot, his duty to his nation comes first. No matter how he might dislike this and dislike that, but on the battlefield, he still will defend his nation. The nation comes first, no matter what him think about Portland, no matter what him think about the Prime Minister, no matter what him think about this. The nation, the duty to the nation comes first. Well, the duty to the 87 comes first, even if she hits at 87. You said she rather the man them kill each other. And remember, I couldn't play the video, but it's not like say, them they don't give him 10 rounds in the head. I mean, the way them are going, they're straight to the youth up on the ice right now. All them do, hold on upon him, and couple days time, couple weeks time, he might touch back on the road. Then when him touch back on the road and carry out the next ops, or another 87 touch back on the road and pull off some drive-by and get and take out some innocent 16-year-old or 17-year-old like what Mona Rima, guess what will happen? Then your favorite MP and your favorite leader of the opposition are go up on your TV and tell us say, the security forces need to do what they can, and they need to do this and they need to do that, right? And they know who the people are, alright? When we see what time then go for them. When time then just go for them and hold on upon them, right? When you see what happen, you know see what the residents them do. Murder! Murder! Everything and get video record and all these things, and painting the image of this youth just getting, bat abuse for no reason, and Lord have mercy, they abuse. The propaganda is relentless. But you see, your MP won't come on TV come say, you know what? None of the residents them are acting as agents. And none of the residents them ball for the man and come back on road, and then ball into the man and come back on road, come take out for them pitney. You know, when stray round fly past and catch it. Your favorite MP not gonna say that because him don't want to upset the constituents, he want the votes. See, all I want is just one video where 87 half woman, 81-year-old granny, panani, and everybody a push phone through window and a bad murder. That's what more see it now because people care about lives, right? Them care about lives across the board. So show me the video of residents who, remember them afraid of police, them afraid of JDF, but them can record and shout off at JDF. So since them afraid of JDF more than 87s, show me the video them where people are pushing phone through the window and I record 87, putting granny on her knee, and the whole community about out murder. Show me that video there. Anybody have it? Send it to me email. Send that video to me email. I want to see it. People have them phone through the window, record 87 them. But not only that, them about out murder on top of it. Send it to me. Because remember, people afraid of JDF, afraid of JCF. So then get the courage to make a video like this. No problem. Listen, I have no problem. Video all you want. Security forces should be held accountable. But guess what? Since they are the biggest monsters in the country, since they are the most evil and the people fear them the most, since they can do this for the security forces, show me the video of them recording 87s too. Who would be the lesser evil? That's all I ask for. Send it to me email. I'll be waiting. Patreon squad. Big up on yourself. DIA, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad. Stay circling. Bless.